In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with PostgreSQL by creating a Node.js project. This tutorial will guide you through setting up the necessary environment, configuring your database connection, and verifying that your setup works correctly. Begin by opening PowerShell in your system. Once it is open, create a new directory for your project by typing -key Claude Postgres app and pressing enter. This command creates a folder named Claude Postgres app. After that, navigate into the new directory using cd Claude Postgres app and hit enter to access your project folder. Next, initialize your Node.js project by entering npm init-y. This command sets up a basic package.json file with default settings. Now, you will need to install several packages that are essential for your project. Type npm install express pg.10 and press enter. The express package will create your server. PG is the PostgreSQL client, and doand will manage your environment variables for credentials. Once the installation is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Next, create a new file named quote to store your PostgreSQL connection details securely. You can do this by entering echo pg ghost =, localhost ghost eq. In PowerShell, this command specifies that your Postgre server is hosted locally. Then add additional connection parameters by typing echo pg port =, 5432 end, followed by echo pg password =, your underscore user, end echo pg database =, your underscore database =, your underscore database =. Make sure to replace your underscore password and your underscore database with your actual PostgreSQL credentials. After creating the NVEF file, it's time to utilize Claude Code for generating the PostgreSQL integration. Open Claude and pressing enter. When you see the prompt Claude, you are ready to input your instructions. Provide a single line command, generate a Node.js project that connects to PostgreSQL using PG. Create /database.js to export a connected client using .ton for credentials. Create server.js with Express Server, JSON middleware, and a /testdb route that queries select now from the database. Listen on port 3000. This command instructs Claude to set up the necessary files and configurations. Upon executing the command, Claude will automatically create quote srg/database.js quote to establish a PostgreSQL connection using the PG client and then Benhan configuration. It will also create quote srt/server.js quote to set up an Express server with a /testdb route that checks the database. Finally, the server will be set to listen on port 3000. Once this process is complete, you can exit Claude by typing exit and pressing enter. To run your server, type node.srt/server.js quote and press enter. You should see a message confirming that the server is running on port 3000, along with another message indicating that the database is connected successfully. To test your PostgreSQL connection, open another PowerShell window and enter curl http://localhost 3000. This command sends a request to your server, and you should receive a JSON response containing the current timestamp from PostgreSQL, confirming that your connection is working correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.